Hey guys, it's BrieAction. How are you today? We're continuing on, and I'm doing Nature's I'm So Pretty. This video came out about 4 days ago or so. I was looking through, you know, when you follow like companies that distribute music, so like Stone Music Entertainment, I think that's what it's called, Stone Music, whatever. Lowen, or 1-K now. I still call them Lowen. I can't help it. So I looked through their things to also look for other videos too, and I saw them, and I know I've heard their name before from one of you guys. But I don't think I had liked that song, so I never put it out. Anyway, they came back, and this song is I'm So Pretty. I have their profile here, so let's go over it. Let's do our usual. Nature currently consists of 9 members. Nature debuted on the 3rd of August 2018 under NCH World. Their official fan club name is Leaf. We have Lou, who's the leader, main vocalist, face of the group, born in 97. Korean. So I'm assuming there's other nationalities in this group. Aurora, lead dancer, vocalist, rapper, visual, born in 97. Chinese. Sebum, main rapper, main dancer, lead vocalist, born in 97. She's Korean. Chibin, main vocalist, born in 99. Korean. Gaga, vocalist, rapper, center, born in 99. Chinese. Haru, I know she's not Korean just by looking at her. Main dancer, vocalist, born in 2000. Japanese. I knew it. Loha, lead vocalist, lead rapper, lead dancer, born in 2001. Korean, right? Yeah. Yuche, lead rapper, lead dancer, vocalist, visual, born in 2002. Korean. And Sunshine, main vocalist, Mangne, born in 2002. Former member Yulme. Oh, she's the leader and main vocalist. Born in 97. Oh, she left the group before the official debut, so it's not that bad. Okay. Like, you know, like, after they debut, then it gets a little, you know what I mean? A little more complicated. or so to speak. Or has people feeling a certain type of way. But she left before the official debut. I wonder what happened, though. Alright, so that's Nature. And let's get right on into the... Ow. Blew it from right there. Let's get right on into it and press play with Nature's I'm So Pretty. I hope I like it. I haven't heard much about them. Super colorful. All I heard was One Piece. I love the boxes. So cute. They're like trips, probably. With the chorus? The outfit change. I was gonna say. You're an amazing person, I saw that in the comments. They get full. And there's talking about lipstick. There's no thing in there now. No captions. Just tall in the front. Where did the bunny ears come from? Well, I love this room. And I don't even like pink, mind you. I really don't. But the room is cute. Does she got a foxtail, like a gumi hole? What is going on over there? We have the glass up for like Cinderella. Or ducks. Is it ducks? For real. I love the boxes. Those are so cute. I love that part. I love that part. The last part. Okay. They came in. Good thing I finished this, right? So I really liked that. I'm gonna go back to it. It was peppy. I love the bright colors. I love the cubes that they put them in. I think, what was another group that did the cubes? I think at one time Oh My Girl did it, but I think it was just to introduce the members in. So I like it. I'm gonna come back to that song. This is good. I wanted to do the boy group too, but because they're back, I'm not gonna do it. They're making a lot of noise. I can't. So that was Nature's I'm So Pretty, and I like it is I'm So Pretty, right? I'm So Pretty? Yeah, I'm So Pretty. And I enjoyed that. I like it. Yes. This is good. This is good. I'm hoping it sticks, because there have been times where I'm like, the song, I like the song is good. I'm gonna go back to it, and then listen to it a couple more times, and I'm like, and then it didn't really hit off like I thought it would. So I'm hoping this one does, because this one was actually kind of cool. All right, so like, comment, subscribe. So what you guys think? What you guys want to see? Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm BrieAction. And the next time I'm alone, I will be doing the, what are they? The Limitless, and I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.